Here's the Gerber Keynote clip folding knife. Fine edge, lightweight liner lock, removable keychain, pocket clip. Not sure what the little plus means. Pocket and keychain, dual clip, or dual carry. Starter tab. Scraping, cutting edge, nail nick. Liner lock. Nice little safety tip thing there. Feels pretty solid. Deep carry clip. So it's got the nail nick, but it also has this little tab here to start it out. So not quite a flipper, but still handy. There you go. Great office EDC knife for me whenever I get back to the office. So that is the Gerber Keynote.